So in class, we learned about species interactions and how they're classified. We learned that they're classified by whether they hurt, harm, or have no effect on the species involved. The bees at the Outback Farm are an example of mutualism, which is when both parties benefit. The bees at the Outback show mutualism with the flowers around them. Bees and flowers are very interdependent. Bees need the nectar from the flowers to make honey to survive, while the female bees use the pollen to feed their larvae, while the flowers need the bees to pollinate them so they can reproduce. And so in class we also learned about biointensive agriculture. This is a system that focuses on maximum yields from the minimum area of land while improving and maintaining the fertility of the soil. Here we have an image of a semi-planted plot of land. Here we have me planting some more in there. That is a Juliet orange that will be growing with some pea plants. There was a few other flowers, but they will all grow together. So here's an example of a plot of land that is very biointensively planted. Biointensive agriculture is very beneficial because you can use less water, you can purchase less fertilizer, it uses 99% less energy, and you can produce 2 to 6 times more food per yard because you have it so condensed in one area. And then the last thing is kind of just how ecosystems function. The Outback is a good example of the kind of nutrient recycling that happens in an ecosystem. There's all these plants. There's chickens on the farm. Here are some chickens that consume these plants, then are fed to humans, which are the consumers, or the chickens are the consumers of the plants, and then it all gets recycled, turned into fertilizer, decomposed by the decomposers, which are fungi, and then it all returns, and it's just one big happy cycle.